expert from economics, IIM Shillong.
Meghalaya government on Friday approved the setting up of 3 medical colleges in the state, one each at Shillong, Tura and Riboy district. The cabinet on Friday finalized the roadmap for the immediate procedure starting of the 3 medical colleges in the state. A committee has been constituted and a proposal has been made on how the colleges will be set up and operationalized, informed Cabinet Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh. Adding to the minister's statement, Principal Secretary in charge Health and Family Welfare, Sambat Kumar, said that Rs 247 crore was sanctioned for construction of the Tura Medical College and the central government is also funding Rs 180 crore for the project.
So, and also we have
The rest of the Tura Medical College in terms of infrastructure building is already at about 44%. And we are looking at a fast tracking, and they have given, TCIL has given us a commitment that by May of 2024, we would be able to complete most of the buildings. We've just been briefed by the officials, and progress seems to be good.
Tura Medical College already it started with about 247 kind of a crores, and where the work has been started, it is actually out of that actually it's actually central government is also funding that project with about 180 crores. So that's one project that is going on.